Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Dawn. If this is your first time here, hello, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's look for you guys, but before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down to your right, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And we're going to go ahead and dive right in. As you can see, I've already primed my face, I've done my brows, I've primed my eyelids, and I've set them with a little bit of translucent powder. Okay, so let's go ahead and just get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to go in the crease. I'm going to use the Morphe Dare to Create palette. And the first shade I'm going to be using is Transitional. The color is called Transitional. And it's this shade right here. So that's the first color I'm going to be going in with. Today we're just going to do, I think I want to do like a cute, you know, dainty Valentine's Day look. Okay, so I'm just going to take that, go into my crease. You want to go in circular motions. Push it into the crease like that. Circular motions. Want nice and chocolatey. And then the next shade I'm going to go in to use is called Slice. And it's like a deeper, it's like a brownish black. And I'm just going to put this in the outer edge area using that same brush. I'm just going to kind of keep it on the outer corners. Okay, so I'm going to look something like that. Then I'm going to take another blending brush, this pink one here, and I'm going to go over and smooth out the edges here that you see. I'm going to be using Define Me from the same palette to clean up those outer edges. Keep it closed so you guys can see. Blow it out just a little bit. Okay, and the reason why you want this really dark right now is because we are going to do a cut crease. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. We're going to switch palettes. I'm going to go to the James Charles palette here. I'm going to go in with this color here, which is Pinkity Pink, on a flat brush. Okay. And then to blend my two shades together, I'm going to be using this shade here, which is called Mary. This shade right here. I'm going to use that to match my brown and my pink together. I'm going to take a light blending brush and go over there. I'm going to add a little bit of black. Okay, so as you can see, I've already completed my other eye. I've added liner, lashes, mascara. I've also added my foundation, Lancôme, which is in the shade 460 Sue W. And by the way, all of my products will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I've also concealed my eyes, well, my face, with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade Golden, which is number 13. Love this stuff, you guys. Okay, so I did that, and then I went ahead and set it with my Sacha Butter Cup baking powder. And now what we're about to do is we're going to go ahead and do a little quick contour. Contour I'm going to be using, contour cream that I'm going to do first is Richly Honed. It's a pro sculpting cream and it's by MAC. Okay, so I'm going to take my MAC 130 brush, which is this brush right here, for creams and contours, and I'm just going to blend all that out. Okay, I'm going to get that also squared away. Let's go ahead and let's do some NC50 by MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm going to go ahead and set that cream contour. Contour my nose real quick. A little bit more dimension on my cheeks. So I'm going to add my NARS Melina palette, contour highlight palette. I'm just going to add this little bit dark color here. I'm going to go in and sculpt the cheeks out. I'm going to use a little bit of blush and a little bit of Love Cloud by MAC. Now, I want to shake this up. Use a little bit of MAC Fix Plus Spray Plus Matte so I don't get oily. Okay, then after that, I'm going to use a little bit of Golden Bronze for highlight. Cupid's bow. Nose area. Okay, and then I'm going to clean up my cheek line just a little bit with a little Sacha Butter Cup. Just going to use my sponge that I used to bake. You know what? First I'm going to do things a little different today. I think I'm going to use, for lipstick, I'm going to use Snob. A little bit of this pink. I'm going to do lipstick first. Then I'm going to do my Quirk lip liner. Okay, then I'm going to tone it down a little bit, so I'm going to add a little bit of L'Oreal's, Maybelline's Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal, which is number 64. just going to add it on the outer edges. And this is the finished looks. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned. I have more videos, more content on the way, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.